Welcome to Birds and Bats. Click on Kids Login, enter your handle, enter your password, and here you go. Here you can see your home page where you have an umbrella and you can put 7 marvelous photos in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. For adding a photo, all you have to do is click on this white sign, add, click on camera, add any photo you want or from your gallery and just save and add it. Your 7th photo will also be shown as your profile photo. First you have your umbrella, then you have 7 interesting chapters: Be My Pal, Photo Compater, Hi There, Video Compater, Let's Be Aware, Help My Mate and Creative Booster. Then you have your handle, profile photo and your brainwave. By clicking here you can change your password, your name and your brainwave. Just remember, when you're making your handle, you cannot change your handle. Thanks guys.